All right, welcome to week 12. We're going to start this week with our Quaver Song of the Month. And then there's two short videos about the half note. We're reviewing that rhythm that has two beats. Remember, we say ta, or sometimes we might say two to remind us of those two beats. So you'll watch those. One's called You Ain't Nothing But a Half Note, which is really just a song. And then there's a short video talking a little bit about the half note itself. Then you've got a song for Veterans Day called Thanks to You that I think you're going to really like. Some of you may have veterans in your family, and talk to your family about that and say, hey, do we have any veterans in our family? And if you do, make sure to thank them this week because we're celebrating our veterans on November 11th. Then we're going to go on to John Philip Sousa was a veteran, and he also conducted the Marine Band. He was known as the March King. He invented the instrument called the sousaphone that you see in marching bands. So read about him, and it's just really short. Talks about his favorite instruments, the bands that he directed, and then you can listen to some of examples of his music. So that would be that. And then there's a rhythm play along. So if you have something at home that you can use for half notes, like these would be, if you have some pool noodles you can cut apart at home. Some of you already have an instrument kit. And if you do not, you could find something at home, or you can just scrape your hands together like that to show those long ta, ta. That's a rhythm play along. But if you don't have anything to play along with, you can click on past all of this, and you'll see Stars and Stripes Forever half notes, and this is body percussion one, and so you can do that one instead. But let me flip back to this one. I'm going to come back and put a video on here to go through this with you with the instrument so that you will know what to do at the right time. But the important thing that I want you to turn in this week is this. It's called the Grade Check Assessment or Grade Check Assignment. And you're going to click Start. There'll be a video right here reminding you how to check your grades. And then you're going to click Start, and you're going to answer the questions. What is your grade in music class? You have an A, B, C, D, or an F. And I'm going to put the numbers in here too. I thought I already did that, but I'll fix that. And then you're going to click this arrow. Did you check to see if you were missing any assignments? Yes or no? And then it says Miss Murphy wants to help you catch up if you are missing any assignments. Will you message her if you need help catching up in music class? Because everyone should have an A or a B in music. So click yes or no if you will message me, and so that I can help you. And then you'll click this and you'll submit it right here. The orange button will say submit, and then green OK. And then after you finish that, that's really the thing you have to turn in this week. And it tells you you've got a checklist to make sure you go through everything. Then I've got a couple of extra songs. This go and stop song's pretty fun at the end. And I think that's it. So pretty short week. Go through the video. Make sure you do your grade check assignment. And then if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you have a great week.